Okay, ready? Here we go. Where'd she go? Where is she? Oh, there she is.
Daisy.
All right, Daisy. Good one. Little steady going.
This is way better than home, Mom.
We had quite a few. They were cut up small, but...
That's good. That's fun.
Oh, I should have put them over there. Okay, I know there's more, Daisy. I just don't know where. Oh, she did. Oh, no, she didn't.
No, there is one here.
There's actually some on the knobs, too.
Ah.
Did she get behind that pillow there?
Daisy. Daisy.
All right, good one. Now, just kind of follow that line there.
She's blonde and a cocker spaniel, so
Now, watch what you say now. Did you get it? All right, good one, Daisy. Good one.